Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add unions and intersections equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. In this document, we want to add unions and intersection. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Equation drop down menu and choose Insert New Equation. Now we can see here many options. We go to the Design menu. Then click the Large Operation and find and choose the Unions and Intersection. Firstly, we insert a unions. Then write text on the union. Then again apply the same process. Go to the Insert menu and click Equation drop down menu. Then choose Insert New Equation. Then again click the Large Operation and choose the intersection. Then write text on the intersection. Now we can see we add unions and intersection equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.